In this video, we'll guide you through how to download all files from Google Drive at once. If you want to create a backup or move your data elsewhere, this method makes it easy. First, go to Google Drive. You can do this by clicking the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and selecting Drive. If you have a lot of files, downloading them one by one would take a long time. Instead, we'll use Google Takeout. Go to the address bar in your browser and type takeout.google.com, then press Enter. Once you're on the Google Takeout page, you'll see a list of Google services. Click Deselect All since we only need Google Drive. Scroll down until you find Drive, then check the box next to it. This will include all your Drive data in the export. After that, scroll to the bottom and click Next Step. Now you can customize how you want to receive your files. Choose Send Download Link via email as the delivery method, set the frequency to Export Once, select the file type as .zip. This is the easiest to use. Choose the file size, for example 2 GB. If your files are larger, they'll be split into multiple downloads. When you're ready, click Create Export. Google will begin preparing your files. This may take some time depending on how much data you have. Once it's ready, you'll receive an email with a download link. Click the link in the email to download your files to your computer. And that's it. That's how you download all your files from Google Drive. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe.